Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So today I will show you how to unban your account using Meta Business Verified. Okay, so make sure to join our channel to keep you updated, and for the text I will give you in my channel. So make sure to join our channel. Misplay, you can get the link from my description box and you can check the pin comment also. Okay, so I will show you how to do it. You can use this method for your business pages. Okay, because business meta doesn't accept cases for personal accounts. It only accepts case for business account. So you can tell them my account is business base. If your account has personal, don't worry, you can say them my account is a business account. Just provide them the details. Okay, so what you need to do, open your Meta verified accounts. You can see here my account is Meta verified business premium. Okay, it will cost you around 3349 in INR. Okay, I will tell you how to open. Click on connect with your support. Wait, connect with your support. Other issues, Oxalix, disable or restricted asset. I have already opened the case, that's why I can't show you now. I will share you the chat. Wait, click. I have opened my case. So you can see here. First, click on new. Then no. Then a agent will contact you shortly. You can see the text here. I will provide you the text in my channel. Okay. Then you need to provide your connected email and number. Tell them my account has been disabled and it's an error. He will ask you to call, deny it. Say my phone is broken. Can we proceed with chat? Then write thank you, no problem. Like, you need to say many things. If you just paste your text and write anything, they will not gonna pass your case. So you need to write many things, like make a story. Okay, then he is asking, did the request? I told him no, it shows me disabled. I send it the screenshot too. Then he will transfer your case. Thank you. If your case is rejected in under 2 hours, then your case will be rejected. If it got past more than 24 hours, there is 100% chance to unban your account. So that's for today. Keep support. Do make sure to like and subscribe for new methods. Take care. See ya. Bye.